Okay, here we are, the start of week 2. Let's show you our progress. So here's the bathroom. Our tile is butted up to the carpet. Nice transition there. Our porcelain planks, 24-inch porcelain planks. 1/16 inch of a grout line here. They are not rectified, so it does bump that up to about 1/8. Floor looks wonderful. We have a Schluter shower pan here. So we grouted the floor. We are going to do some drywall and paint. Swiss coffee going for the walls. Bright white for baseboard. Here's the shower. The shower will be grouted today. Flat, plumb, square. Here's the niche. Beautiful mitered niche. Got to clean this up a little bit, prep it before grout. We have our abalone glass in the back. Have some browns that complement the floor. Some grays that complement the field wall tile. And of course, some color to give it some pop. So that's it. We're going to get to work today. We're going to paint today, pick up the vanity, install the vanity top and sink, grout this shower, polish it, seal it, install our trim kit and shower head up here. Let's get to work, guys. We plan on having this completed in about 2.5 more days. Here we go. Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 40. It's a wrap, it's complete. We can now finally move back upstairs to the master bathroom. So let's show you what we did. Show you the final completed project. Here we go. The before. Here's the floor. It looks like we have 18 by 18 ceramic. So quickly, we'll start with the floor. We installed porcelain planks, non-rectified. 6 by 36. Everything is flat. Tile leveling system was used for this for a superior build, Levtech. Wood look, curbless all the way into the shower. A seamless look. The floor turned out great. Real quick down here, we installed some new baseboard, 6.5 inch, all the way around. A new Toto toilet was installed. Here is the vanity. It's a shaker, espresso, brushed nickel hardware, soft close. The top is a manufactured marble, one-piece sink and top. This is very easy to clean and maintain. Moen was used for all of the fixtures, the faucet as well as the valve and trim kit in the shower. We have a little 4-inch backsplash here. We need to grout this today and that will finalize this bathroom. We installed a mirror, removed and replaced 3 LED lights. Installed an additional LED there. We installed a vent fan and an LED back underneath the shower. We're going to install a cabinet with filler for storage there. This was a open area. We installed an off-the-shelf cabinet with some filler here. Scribe mold on the bottom and the top. This turned out clean. Great little cabinet to store and hide all of your toiletries. Of course, all the towel bars were installed, brushed nickel, as well as the toilet paper dispenser. Let's take a look at the shower. We're keeping these shower doors. As you can see here, this is the not necessarily original shower door. This was purchased 1 year ago by our client. He was hoping that we can use it again, and yes, we were able to make it happen for him. We have about a 1/16 of an inch gap there, so it came very, very close. So again, we have frosted glass doors. I'm not a very big fan of them. I like clear glass to show off the shower. So let's open it up. And again, as you can see there, very similar, large format shower pan. Everything is going to be removed. This is a 3x3 shower. We're gonna install a new valve, raise the shower head, rip everything out. The shower turned out absolutely gorgeous. Again, as you can see here, barrier-free, curbless, proper pitch, proper slope, 1/4 inch per foot. This is a Schluter shower system. We have Curdy on the walls, Schluter pan, Schluter niche as well, all waterproofing done via Schluter. Again, mow-in for the valve and trim kit. Quickly start with the wall. Field wall tile is a 12 by 24 porcelain. This was meant to resemble marble. Our layout is at a 50% offset. We start with folds all the way up to the bottom of the niche, and our full ends here. So it's always good to get a proper layout done prior to installation so that you don't have notched cuts around your niche. Again, folds all the way up. We have a mitered niche. It's mitered bottom, sides, top. Very clean, tight joints and tight miters. We have a beautiful glass inlay here. Now this glass complements 3 different things in this shower. You have your grays that complement the field wall tile, your browns that complement the shower pan tile, and then some color for pop. You have some blue and teal, which complements the frosted glass door. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Bath and shower tile ideas, episode 40. This build took less than 2 weeks. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share this video if you know anybody who might find it useful, and I'll see you on the next one.